I am the Alpha Wolf. This is the WolfPack Entourage Vlogs. And I want to say thank you to my local hockey team. Because, which I said, they do anything for me. And I want to give them a major shout out to them. And I'm talking about Shane Conacher, Peter MacArthur, Brian Ward, and the rest of the players. They're awesome. He's the reason that I hang out with them. Number one, I personally know them since 2015 and today as well. We do things together like a pack. Number one, going to the movies. Going to like FYE or something, which I did with James Henry before the movie of Bumblebee. 3, we always we usually goof around a little bit, act crazy a little bit. That's why I like these guys, because they know that I enjoy their company. I get along with them personally and mentally, because I like to tell them on how I'm doing and stuff, and I like to fire them up before each game so they can win. I did that last night and we won 5-3. This will be a short video. So I have to get ready for today. I am going out for lunch and a little bit of shopping afterwards with Mike. I forget how to say his name, but his name is Mike. You know what? I got a better idea. I can spell his name out for you guys. Hold on for 1 sec here. Alright. His name is Mike. SZMATULA. I'm going with him today. We're going to go out for lunch. On me, because every time I am with a player, I can give you one example. When I was with Mike Bergen at the time, when he was the team captain, and Drew Fielding, they were always telling me, we went to the movies, and I'm trying to pay for them. They keep telling me, put your wallet away. So, I've been told this by different players. I will respect that, but this time it's on me, because these guys will do anything for me. Think about it. I mean, sometimes I will get picked up for a game by James Henry himself. Sometimes, Connor Riley. He did that once. And I like that, because sometimes, I'm not going to say my family's name or anything, but if they have something to do with another family member, by going somewhere for a game somewhere, like softball or something, I don't ask. I will say, I want to go to a game for the Thunder, and there's nobody here to only me and somebody else, and they will say, alright, for James Henry, he goes, I will pick you up around 4 o'clock. 4:15. That's fine. I don't ask because if I am in a predicament of some sort, I need to say something to a Thunder player. My older brother sometimes works voluntarily for the Thunder, but not all the time. Sometimes I go with my brother or somebody else, but in some cases I can't. That's why I have to ask James Henry if he could. Sometimes he will say yes, sometimes he will say no, and another player has to come and get me. Because I had to sign a piece of paper, and I'm not gonna say what it is because it's personal. And I found a loophole, and it said something about obligations. Obligations to me, I looked this up. It means legal. I am legally their number one fan of all time. I'm always at the games. I'm always pumping them up for the game and stuff like that. So, anyways, that's what I'm talking about. They do anything for me, and I will return the favor. And my favor is this. For today, me and Mike Zamutla are going for lunch. I'm paying. Because I want to give back to my local hockey team. Because they always pay for me. I want to pay for them. This is going to be really short for now, and I want to say the first part of this was a shout out to them, and I want to continue the shout out to the Thunder. Like for an example, I went to miniature golfing with Greg Wolf, Mike Bergen. Then I went to the movies with Mike Bergen, Drew Fielding. Me and Drew Fielding went to see Star Wars: The Last Jedi. A couple times this year, me and the rest of the boys of the WolfPack Entourage we saw a lot of movies. That's why I love this team. I'm kind of tight and I'm good. So, anyways, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. All my life, I hang out with hockey players. Personally, because I know them. Some guys I know, some guys I don't know. We had a player that was here. I don't know if I can show this. I don't know if I can show this on camera or not, but I'm going to. His name is Cooper Jones. I met the guy for the first time. Nice guy. This guy here. Then I found out that he was he's not with the team now. So that's why I'm gonna keep this because I like this guy. Because I got invited into the locker room after one of the games, talking to like Carrier and all of the boys, because I got inducted into I was talking to James Henry, and he said to me that I was a part of the boys, and that's my local team. That's why I love doing things with them. I know they are busy. They have to practice every morning because we have games. and I don't want to bother them by like like bugging them all the time, which I do not. I mean, today is a nice day. For example, the sun's out. We have a little bit of snow. This week we're gonna get 24 inches of snow again. We don't need it, but apparently it's gonna happen. So that means I may be here for Saturday. I may not, because I'm going with my cousin, the LA Wolf, to somewhere for for another hockey game. I may be going, or stay here and miss the Thunder game because of the SNOW. In my personal opinion, on the SNO, on the snow that is coming, that snow just made the WolfPack list. We don't need snow. We have snow on the ground right now. But where I'm living, I'm not going to tell you where. I will tell you France. Because, number one, we have snow outside, but like in the roads, all dry. We don't need snow. You know what? I wish I had a magical power to control the weather. When the snow comes this week, I will say, snow, 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 be gone, be gone. Make it 70-degree weather. Right? When the snow comes, all melted. Yeah. So I can do things with my local hockey team. This team of the Thunder is not called the Adirondack Frostbite. This team is the Thunder. And to close this off, I want to say this to the Thunder. Excuse me for one sec, guys. Alright. You guys are the best team. Let's put it this way. We need to win the Kelly Cup this year. Again, stop crying, dude. Man. Alright, cool. So, I say this. Favorite. Like. Share. Excuse me. I don't know what I'm doing that for. Alright. Hold on. Favorite. Like. Share. And subscribe to me. And to the Thunder. A link will be included. This team will dominate the season. And I have a message for Newfoundland. Hey, yo, I can't even think the name right. Yo, Newfoundland Growlers, you need to lose games instead of hold on. Yo, Growlers of St. John's. When you come into the Thunderdome and beat the Thunder, we're gonna beat you. In the Thunderdome, we have fun and games and pain for you, Newfoundland. And we also have fun. We have fun and games and pain ready for Brampton too. You don't want to deal with the Thunder or the Alpha Wolf. Because the Alpha Wolf and the Thunder, let's put it this way, we are hungry like the wolf.